The Artemis II crew from NASA, including Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen, is in the final phase of their journey back to Earth, traveling aboard the Orion spacecraft as they prepare for re-entry and splashdown. When they woke up, they were about 61,326 miles away from Earth at 7:33 p.m. The crew module will separate from the service module, exposing its heat shield for re-entry, where temperatures can reach around 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. At 7:37 p.m., Orion will perform a short burn to set the correct entry angle. At 7:53 p.m., Orion will reach the upper atmosphere at around 400,000 feet, traveling nearly 35 times the speed of sound, and experience communication blackout due to plasma formation. At 8:03 p.m., drogue parachutes will deploy at about 22,000 feet, slowing the spacecraft and stabilizing it. At 8:04 p.m., the main parachutes will open at around 6,000 feet, reducing the speed to less than 136 miles per hour. And finally, at 8:07 p.m., Orion will splash down in the Pacific Ocean near San Diego, completing a journey of about 694,481 miles. After landing, recovery teams from NASA and the U.S. military will extract the crew, transport them by helicopter to the USS John P. Murtha, and within 2 hours, the astronauts will be safely aboard the ship for medical checks, marking the successful return phase of the Artemis II mission.